Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share my latest keyboard build, the Wakev Lucky 65 V2 in a gorgeous pink colorway. This is a full unboxing, build, and sound test. So if you love pastel aesthetics and smooth linear switches, you're in for a treat. Let's start with what's in the box. The Lucky 65 V2 is a bare bones kit, so you won't find any switches or keycaps included, just the essentials. A switch and keycap puller, along with a USB-C cable. The wireless dongle is in the compartment behind. For this build, I'm going with Zeus Bubblegum linear switches. These are super smooth and come in the perfect shade of pastel pink to match the case. To top it off, I'm using the Pastel Chaos keycap set, a collab between Goblin Tech Keys and Mari. The colors are chaotic in the best way possible. It's fun and cute at the same time. This combo really brings out a sweet candy-like vibe, both visually and acoustically. Typing on this board feels like scooping into strawberry mousse, light, creamy, and satisfying. And that's a wrap on my Lucky 65 V2 build. I absolutely love how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.